Hi, welcome to Blesta How Tutorials, and today we're going to show you how to set up NetEarthOne to Blesta. Okay, so you probably watched the application video, so let's get started. First you need to log in. We're going to log into the admin area. Okay, we need to go to settings and then modules under company. We need to go to the available tab because we haven't got it installed, and then we want to click on LogicBoxes. We're going to click install. Okay, we need to add an account now, so click add account. And we're going to name it. We're going to call it NetEarthOne because it's simple. You can put whatever you want there because it doesn't matter. And now you need to get your reseller ID, so you need to log into your NetEarthOne account. And at the top right, there's a little person icon. You need to get your reseller ID. So copy that and paste it onto Blesta in the reseller ID. Okay, now we need to get your API key. So go back to NetEarthOne, click on settings and then API. You need to click API key, copy and paste it onto Blesta. Okay, we now need to add the IP of your server to a license. Whitelist it so it can connect to the API. So we're going to ping blesta.store. That's our domain. Well, so we're going to scroll down, go to terminal because I'm using a Mac, Windows, CMD or Excel, depending on which one you prefer. When it loads up eventually, okay, we've got a window, and we're going to put ping-c1 and the domain without the HTTPS. So blesta.store, and that's the IP we want. -c1 means it's only going to do one connection. Okay, we're going to whitelist it. It can take 30 minutes, but it took a lot longer for me. As you can see, I paused the video and it still wouldn't connect. So if you go to my next video on how to set up domains on Blesta, you'll see it connected up successfully. Okay, thanks for watching Blesta.how tutorials on how to set up and connect to your LogicBox module NetEarthOne account. Hope you have a great day. Bye.